Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error on iPhone. If you are facing this issue constantly on your Safari, then to solve it, this video is for you. First of all, open your settings and then hit on the screen time. From here, scroll down and go to the content and privacy restrictions and turn it off. Then go back to your settings again and then hit on the general. From here, click on the software update and make sure that your system is up to date. Again, go back to the general and hit on the VPN and device management and make sure that no VPN is connected in your device. Now search for Safari on your settings and then scroll down a little bit. There you will see an option of clear history and website data. Hit on that and do clear history. If you do all of this, then your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.